Ever grabbed a potato only to find it covered in sprouts? Storing potatoes properly at home can stop this and keep your spuds fresh for months. Sprouting happens when potatoes are exposed to light, warmth, or moisture. To prevent it, start by choosing only clean, firm potatoes. Avoid any with cuts or bruises, as these spoil faster. Store your potatoes in a cool spot, ideally between 7 and 10 degrees Celsius. Think of a dark corner in your pantry or laundry, not the fridge. Place them in a breathable container like a Hessian sack, paper bag, or a cardboard box. Good airflow is key, so avoid plastic bags which trap moisture and cause rot. Keep them away from onions, which release gases that speed up sprouting. Check your potatoes every week, removing any that are soft or starting to sprout. Don't wash potatoes before storing. Dirt helps protect them. The main mistake? Leaving spuds somewhere too warm or bright, like on the kitchen bench. Proper storage means fewer wasted potatoes and always having good ones ready for dinner. Remember, keep potatoes cool, dark, and dry for the longest shelf life.